Hi, and welcome to a new natural home remedy video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and activate the new video's notifications bell.
10 foods that fight asthma. 1. Avocado. Avocados are an excellent option for asthmatic people, especially for those whose asthma is associated with walnut allergies. Also, avocado contains glutathione, an element that protects cells from free radicals. It also has a great detoxifying ability. 2. Broccoli. Recent studies suggest that eating broccoli frequently helps asthmatics to avoid the effects of this disorder. In the same way, it has been proven that eating broccoli helps prevent inflammation in the respiratory tracts and also helps eliminate free radicals. 3. Apples. Apples are another natural product that has beneficial effects for asthmatics. Experts say that this is because apples have a good amount of bioflavonoids. Among other things, these, like quercetine, are a natural antihistamine and an anti-inflammatory for respiratory tracts. 4. Bananas. Bananas can help people breathe better, which is why they are highly recommended for asthmatics. Bananas contain pyridoxal, which is commonly known as vitamin B6. One of the functions of this is to relax the smooth bronchial muscle. 5. Ginger. Asthmatics can also eat ginger. Specialists say that ginger contains anti-inflammatory substances that help treat asthma. In fact, they say that these substances are the ones that give ginger its characteristic flavor. 6. Spinach. Spinach is a very healthy food. Among its benefits, a recent study shows that it helps prevent asthma. This should not surprise you because this product contains a large amount of nutrients and vitamins that are essential for the proper functioning of your body. 7. Rosemary. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants, rosemary is a highly recommended product for asthmatics. As a result, you can keep your respiratory healthy with rosemary. It will keep your respiratory tracts open. 8. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds has diverse nutrients and properties, which are great for prevent asthma. Among these are vitamin E, potassium, and magnesium. However, some people should be careful because eating it can cause allergies. 9. Mint. Mint contains different properties that free your respiratory tracts, which is a huge help for people that suffer from asthma. In fact, this product is generally used in medicines to treat respiratory diseases. 10. Vitamin C. A great recommendation for asthmatics is to eat food rich in vitamin C. As you know, this vitamin has important benefits for your respiratory tracts, as well as extraordinary antiseptic effects.
Thank you for watching. Take some time to see our other videos. Leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to share your results. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now. And don't forget to click on the little bell below to receive notifications of new videos.